Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another episode of Fearless English. I am Mia.
And I am Leo. Hi, Mia. Hello, our listeners. We are so excited to spend time with you today.
Today, we have a very special and fun topic. We are going to unlock some big English fluency secrets.
Ooh, I love secrets. What are we talking about today, Mia?
We are looking at 12 confusing things Americans say every single day.
Ah, yes. American English can be very tricky. Sometimes Americans use phrases that do not mean what you think they mean.
Exactly. You study textbook English, and then you hear an American speak, and you think, wait, what does that mean?
But do not worry. Today, we will break down 12 super common phrases. By the end of this episode, you will understand them easily.
That is right. You will feel much more confident when you listen to native speakers.
Before we start, please take a quick second to click the like button and subscribe to our channel.
Yes, subscribing helps us create more clear, simple, and helpful lessons for you every week.
Done subscribing? Awesome. You are amazing. Now sit back, relax, and let us dive in.
Okay, Leo, let us start with phrase number 1. This is probably the most common greeting in America.
Is it what's up?
Yes, what's up?
When beginners hear what's up, they often look up at the sky or the ceiling. They think it means what is above my head.
Yes, that is so true. But it does not mean look above you. It simply means how are you or what is happening right now.
Let's practice this phrase together. Listen first. What's up?
Now it's your turn to speak out loud. Say, what's up? Great job. That sounded very natural.
Now, how do you answer this question? A simple answer is not much.
Let us try a short dialogue. Listen to how Mia and I use it.
Hey, Mia, what's up?
Not much, just reading a book. How about you?
Just having some tea. See how easy that is? You don't need a long explanation. Not much is the perfect reply. Phrase number 2 is very interesting. Mia, what does under the weather mean?
It sounds like you're standing outside in the rain, right? But it actually means feeling a little sick.
Ah, yes. When you have a cold or headache, you can say, I'm under the weather.
Let's listen again carefully. Under the weather.
Now repeat after me. Under the weather. Excellent pronunciation. You're doing so well already.
Let's use it in a real-life conversation. Hey, Leo, do you want to play soccer today?
Oh, I'm sorry, Mia. I feel a bit under the weather today. I think I'll stay home and rest.
Oh, I hope you feel better soon, Leo.
Thank you. So remember, if you feel a little sick, tell your friends, I'm under the weather.
Phrase number 3 sounds very scary. It's break a leg.
Oh no, why would anyone want you to break your leg? That sounds painful.
It does, but Americans say break a leg when they want you to wish you good luck before a performance or a presentation.
Ah, what a strange secret. So break a leg actually means good luck.
Exactly. Let's listen to the phrase again. Break a leg.
Now try it yourself. Speak out loud. Break a leg.
Wow, you sound like a native speaker. That was awesome.
Let's practice with a simple dialogue. Mia, I have to give a speech today at work. I'm a little nervous.
You will do great, Leo. Break a leg.
Thanks, Mia. That gives me confidence. Now for phrase number 4. This one involves food, Mia.
Yum. Is it piece of cake?
Yes, piece of cake.
If someone tells you an activity is a piece of cake, they don't mean dessert. They mean something is very easy.
Exactly, like a simple math question or a very basic task.
Let's listen to it together. Piece of cake.
Now your turn. Say it out loud. Piece of cake.
That's a great question to ask yourself. Is learning English a piece of cake? With practice, yes.
Let's hear a dialogue with this fun phrase.
Leo, was that English quiz difficult for you?
No, not at all. It was a piece of cake. I got all the answers right.
Good job, Leo. You see, when something is super easy, just say it's a piece of cake. Phrase number 5 is something Americans say when they're tired at work or school.
Is it call it a day?
Yes, call it a day.
What does it mean when someone says, let's call it a day?
It means let's stop working for today. Time to pack up and go home.
Ah, I love that phrase. Let's listen again. Call it a day.
Now, repeat it out loud. Call it a day. Perfect effort. Keep going. You're doing fantastic.
Let's practice a quick work dialogue. Phew, Mia, we've been writing for 6 hours. I'm so tired.
Me too. Let's call it a day and finish the rest tomorrow.
Sounds great. See you tomorrow. Speaking of being tired, that brings us to phrase number 6.
Yes, phrase number 6 is hit the sack.
Why are Americans hitting a sack? What is a sack?
A sack is an old word for a bag, like a mattress bag. So hit the sack simply means go to sleep or go to bed.
Ah, so when you're ready to sleep, you hit the sack.
Right. Listen carefully. Hit the sack.
Now your turn. Say, hit the sack. Beautiful. You have great rhythm.
Let's listen to how this fits into evening chat.
Leo,
It's already 11 p.m. Are you staying up late?
No, I'm exhausted. I'm going to hit the sack right now. Good night.
Good night, Leo. Sleep well. All right, let's move to phrase number 7. This one sounds dramatic. Bite the bullet.
Whoa, bite a bullet? That sounds dangerous.
Don't worry, no real bullets are involved. It means to force yourself to do something difficult or uncomfortable that you have been avoiding.
Ah, like going to the dentist or doing your taxes.
Exactly. When you face a tough task bravely, you bite the bullet.
Let's listen again carefully. Bite the bullet.
Repeat it now. Bite the bullet. You are doing a wonderful job. Learning idioms can be hard, but you're mastering them.
Let's try a short dialogue. Mia, my room is so messy, but I really don't want to clean it today.
You've been delaying it for a week, Leo. Just bite the bullet and clean it now.
Fine, you're right. I'll bite the bullet and do it. Phrase number 8 is another food idiom. Mia, do Americans love talking about food?
Maybe. Phrase number 8 is spill the beans.
If you spill beans on the floor, it makes a mess. But what does it mean in conversation?
It means to reveal a secret, usually by accident or because you're excited.
Ooh, I love secrets. Let's listen again. Spill the beans.
Now you say it. Go ahead. Spill the beans. You sound so natural.
Let's listen to the secret in action. Mia, did you hear about the surprise birthday party for Sarah?
Yes, but don't tell her. Don't spill the beans.
Don't worry, my lips are sealed. I won't spill the beans.
Phrase number 9 is about making decisions on the fence.
Imagine sitting on a fence. You can't decide if you want to jump to the left or jump to the right.
Exactly. So when an American says, I'm on the fence, it means I'm undecided. They can't choose between two options.
That makes so much sense. Listen again. On the fence.
Now try saying it out loud. On the fence.
Great job. You're improving every minute.
Let's practice a daily decision dialogue.
Mia, are you going to buy the blue shoes or the red shoes?
Oh, I'm still on the fence. Both colors look so nice.
Take your time. Picking shoes is serious business.
Leo, phrase number 10 is very common in business and daily life. Touch base.
Yes, Americans use this all the time at work. Touch base simply means to contact someone briefly or check in with them.
Like sending a quick text message or making a short phone call. Listen to the phrase, touch base.
Now, speak it out loud. Touch base.
Fantastic. You are doing so well.
Let's hear how coworkers use this phrase.
Leo,
Do you have time to discuss our project today?
I'm busy right now, but let's touch base tomorrow morning after coffee.
Perfect. Send me a message tomorrow morning. Phrase number 11 is a warm and meaningful one, through thick and thin.
That sounds sweet. What does it mean, Mia?
It means to support someone through good times and bad times, no matter what happens.
Ah, like true friends or family. They stay with you through thick and thin.
Exactly. Let's listen again carefully. Through thick and thin.
Repeat after me. Through thick and thin.
Wonderful. Your pronunciation is getting better and better.
Let's practice a friendly conversation. Mia, thank you for always helping me with my work projects.
Of course, Leo. We're best friends. I will always support you through thick and thin.
Thank you, Mia. You are an amazing friend. And finally, phrase number 12. This one is important to know. Cut corners.
Yes, when you cut corners, you do something quickly and cheaply, but you do it poorly. You skip important steps.
Ah, so if you build a house quickly with bad tools, you're cutting corners.
Exactly. It's usually a warning not to do bad work.
Let's listen carefully. Cut corners.
Say it out loud now. Cut corners.
Bravo! You completed all 12 phrases. Give yourself a round of applause.
Let's hear our final dialogue example for phrase 12.
Mia, should we finish this project super fast by skipping the safety check?
No way, Leo. We must do a good job. We should never cut corners on safety.
You are totally right, Mia. Quality comes first. Wow, what an amazing lesson. Time went by so fast.
It really did. You all worked so hard today learning these 12 confusing American expressions.
Let us do a super quick recap of all 12 secrets.
Number 1, what's up? It means how you are. Number 2, under the weather. It means feeling sick. Number 3, break a leg. It means good luck. Number 4, piece of cake. It means very easy. Number 5, call it a day. It means stop working. Number 6, hit the sack. It means go to sleep.
Number 7, bite the bullet. It means face a hard task. Number 8, spill the beans. It means reveal a secret. Number 9, on the fence. It means undecided. Number 10, touch base. It means contact briefly. Number 11, through thick and thin. It means through good and bad times. Number 12, cut corners. It means do poor work to save time or money.
What an incredible list. Remember, you do not need to memorize all of them in one day.
Yes, just listen to this episode again whenever you are cooking, walking, or resting. Repetition is your best friend.
Now we have a fun community question for you today. We want to read your thoughts in the comments.
Yes, tell us in the comments which of these 12 phrases was the most surprising or confusing to you.
Is it break a leg or maybe spill the beans? Write your answer down below in simple English.
We love reading your comments and replying to you. You are doing an unbelievable job on your English journey.
If you enjoyed today's episode, please hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe so you never miss a lesson.
Keep practicing, stay positive, and remember, you can achieve English fluency step by step.
Bye-bye, everyone. See you in the next episode.
Goodbye. Be fearless.